Hello, this is Clive Hook from Clearworth. Welcome to another 5-minute Think Spot designed to focus your attention and get you to do some thinking around a specific topic. Today we're introducing complex influencing. This is for you if you have to influence or sell your idea to a group of people or an organisation. It's complex because more than one person has to say yes, and the more people involved, the more complex it gets. This ThinkSpot series is designed to help you develop a strategy for influencing in this situation. The 4 key questions are about who they are, what their role is in this decision, what their thinking is about the idea or proposal, and what's in it for them. Now, this whole topic is quite broad, so we're going to focus on the first 3 questions for now. In fact, just questions 2 and 3. The first question is self-explanatory, although you may find you add or delete some people from the cast of characters as we progress. Think of this as a sale. You may or may not be asking them to part with money, but you are asking them to buy into your idea or proposal. It's the same process. This work is based on strategic selling, which first appeared in a book of the same name in 1986. So you're really thinking about their role in buying this idea. Let's look at the 4 main roles. Oh, by the way, someone can play more than one role, and there could be more than one person in a role. It's not always 4 people. The resource holder is the person, and it typically is just one, who ultimately has to part with money or resources of some kind, and they'll want to know what the return on their investment is, the ROI. The technical inspector role looks at whether it's the right fit for the organisational group in terms of other systems, processes, etc. Think of the IT manager. It may not be their budget, but they'd be able to say if a new bit of software would fit or work with existing stuff. The cultural gatekeeper is a bit like the technical inspector, but they're thinking about style or a more intangible sense of, is this our kind of thing? And that role is considering whether that's a good or a bad thing. The end user is the role that will have to use this thing. In organisations, they may or may not be consulted, and thus their yes or no vote comes after the decision has been made. I bet you can think of examples where the wonderful shiny new thing never actually got implemented, because the users didn't like it and couldn't or wouldn't use it. So, you've got 4 possible roles, all with different interests in the change that this could bring about. It's already complex, but there's more to come. Each one of those roles is a person or people. They'll have an opinion which is personal to them. We call this a frame of mind. And there's 4 of them too. So we've already got 16 possibilities. Trouble means they're in pain and want it to go away. If your idea does that and does that now, they're in. The vision frame of mind isn't in pain. They're looking to the future, looking to make things better. They're interested if it does that, but there's not the sense of urgency, and they're happy to look at alternatives. There's even less urgency in even keel. The classic phrase here is, why rock the boat? Everything's just fine as it is. And then there's closed door. There is interest and energy, but only in getting rid of you and your idea. They don't want it, they don't want you, and your presence is a nuisance. This frame of mind is convinced your thing will make matters worse, not better. They want you and your idea to go away. I hope you're starting to see why you need a strategy. A technical inspector in closed door frame of mind could mean your idea being rejected, but they won't listen to you. So the strategy will be about how to get others to influence them perhaps. A simple strategy map or worksheet is a good idea at this point. List the key characters, their roles and their frames of mind. Very importantly, if you don't know, don't make it up. It's really important you're clear about what you do and don't know at this stage. In the next ThinkSpot, we'll deal with that very thing and what you can do about it. For now, go and do some strategic thinking and planning. And when you've got your map or worksheet with those characters, roles, frames of mind, and possibly some blanks or question marks, we'll move on. So, thank you for your attention and energy. This is Clive Hook from Clearworth, wanting to help you do it better. So I'm assuming you're in the vision frame of mind, but it could be trouble, and looking forward to helping you find your way through this influencing maze. Bye for now.